Hey everyone, it's Todd Bachman with Mosby Building Arts, and today I'm on site at a project that Mosby is currently working on. This is going to be a magnificent project when it's all said and done. This includes a kitchen, powder room, laundry room. We've actually bumped out the back of the house to expand the kitchen. It's going to be awesome, and I can't wait to show you the final results. Right now we're actually working on the flooring. We laid down some red oak flooring, and it's in the process of being sanded before we can stain it. Now, red oak is one of the most popular choices for flooring, especially in the kitchen area. It's a durable type of wood flooring. It's cost effective, which is really great. It features some nice warm tones as well as it has a heavy grain pattern, so it really gives it some nice definition and character as well. So this can be applied throughout the house. It is applied throughout the living area, the kitchen, and also the new powder room as well. Thanks for watching. I'll check back in with you later when the project is completed, and we'll show you just how great this transformation really was.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.